What's up, guys? As you know, people love when you take the time to make something with your own hands for them. And that's always super appreciated and liked, right? So today I'm gonna show you how to make this super cool magic card. Basically, it shows you a design only when you slide it. It's a very easy project. It's really cool. I really liked it. So let's go check it out. So guys, this was the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as I did. Don't forget to check out the other videos on this collection. There's like 4 different cards. They all have something special. They are all in 3D or have some like nice touchy feeling thing. Let me know in the comments which one you like better. And before you leave, give me your thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.